Welcome traders. In this crash course, we are going to talk about the number one mistake in day trading and overall in trading. My name is Agi. I am a mentor for more than 10 years, trading for almost 2 decades on the US stocks, Forex and futures, plus options. And definitely my favorites are the US stocks and day trading. And this mistake, which I would like to talk about today, it is a very common mistake made by especially the starter traders. And if you are starting with that mistake, usually it's really hard to get rid of it because you do not even know that this is a mistake indeed. This was my fault as well indeed in the beginning of my trading career, and I just would like to pretend you to make the same mistake in the trading. So let's see what is that. Well, you heard a lot of time already that every trader needs the right risk management, the right setup strategy, and even, of course, the position management. If you just nailed that, you feel like you nailed that, that's a good start already, but something is missing. Might you've heard already that the trading is 90% of psychology and 10% of technicals. So this is the big part which is missing. This is called the psychological attitude or mindset of the trading, and this is really hard to get it right. When I mean of getting right, it is like you're not, of course, you're not born like that. I was not born like that either, that I knew what is the right psychological attitude in trading. We need to develop that. But of course, first of all, we need to know what are the crucial parts, what are the foundation, which is going to make you a great trader based on the right mindset. And in my opinion, which I just get during my almost like 15 years now, when I'm just teaching traders and mentoring over 10 years, I just realized that the main thing which is missing by especially starting trading is the focus. It's not missing, it's not the right expression. I would say it's not the right focus because every trader has a focus and mostly it's not the right focus. Like if your focus is like get rich fast, get the big trades fast, and of course doubling your account in a month, well, this is usually not the right focus to start trading with, or especially if you are after some losses in the financial world and you want to get back break even with trading fast. This is not the right attitude either, because unfortunately the get rich fast, get back to the break even, this behavior often leads traders to big losses. So please be cautious and avoid that at any cost in trading. And please, the focus always needs to be on the process and not on the money. Money is just secondary. We are just talking about that soon. So what can be the consequences of the inappropriate focus? Well, it's easy. Emotional trading. If you have traded already in your life and you felt that the losses make you angry and the wins are just get you euphoric, this is what I mean. It's emotional trading. And don't be misled. I'm not talking about switch off your emotions. We are human beings. We cannot switch off our emotions, but we can learn how to control them. It's not easy. Self-control, it's never easy, even if I'm thinking on my diets and so on. But indeed, it can be learned as well, just in trading too. So please be aware of emotional trading, because definitely this is going to lead to some blown up accounts and harm to the nerve system as well. And from a funny face, you are going to get to a crybaby soon. So emotional trading is one of the biggest enemy of a trader. That's guaranteed. So let's see what to do instead, like money versus strategy. So what should be the focus? As I mentioned already, I just cannot repeat it enough, traders. The focus should be on mastering the process, to find your strategy. What do I mean? Like, listen, if you just type in the YouTube that let's just watch great traders to trade, okay? Live trades even. And they are showing you great strategies. That's fine, and you can learn. But never forget that the strategy, it's not that simple to choose, because the strategy needs to fit to your personality. If it does not fit, you are going to fail. It doesn't matter if it's working for 50 other traders. Why this is not your way? Why this is not your sound in trading? You need to find your way. What does it fit you? You know, you like risk a little bit more, or you are completely avoiding risk. So it's about a lot to think about indeed. And I have a separate mentoring about how to choose the right strategy which fits that fits to your personality. I highly recommend to watch it as well. So first of all, again, the trader needs to master the process, focus on the process. What do I mean that? Listen, if you are starting, for example, playing football, okay? We are not going to start with, I don't know, Manchester United, okay? You just go there and, okay, hi guys, I want to just get in and play a little football, okay? No, you need to know the game first. And this is what traders forgot. We need to let know each other on the market. Who is my enemy? Who are the big guys who are selling, buying? Who are the market makers? How the chart is moving? What is the base? What is the foundation which I need to use to make my decision? Is not only the chart, is the price action to understand, together with the volume combination, plus of course the best technical analysis as well, what you just can get on the market. So there are a lot of information out, guys. It's too much in my opinion. So when a private mentor trader gets to me, I'm always trying to find out the level of knowledge. And I'm really happy when he's not starting like that I was watching thousands of videos on the YouTube, because sometimes it's more harmful than useful for you, because you need to know just these little details which are going to help you to start improving on, for example, knowing better the charts, knowing better the price action. So too many information is never good. So you need to know which information is useful for you. Okay, this is very crucial as well, because it's going to help you to focus on the strategy and on the process. And hide your P&L, guys. I beg you, don't stare on the P&L like, okay, oh my god, that's like $500. Okay, what I wanted to buy for $500 last month. So this is what is going to be guaranteed a loss on your account. Hide your P&L. This is the first thing which I definitely suggest to my traders to do in live trading. And you must accept a very important fact here, guys. We're not making it at the money. Of course, we are doing it for the money at the end, because this is the most important thing. But in the beginning, if you're focusing only on the money, it's going to lead you to losses for sure. So you need to understand that money is a byproduct of a great trading style. Okay, so this is what you need to master first. So if you miss, unfortunately, this focus, and you're starting to trade on the wrong focus, then you are going to become an emotional driven trader. I'm sure you know that. You experienced already when you feel just this enormous fear to let a runner go, or ride, or the greed when you want more, and the FOMO, fear of missing out. Wow, that can be harmful on your account as well. And the hope, oh my god, that's my favorite actually. I've did it as well, so I'm not an exception, guys. I'm just went through everything, really every mistake which I'm talking about today. I know it very well. I repeated it well to make sure I can just teach you later on how not to do it. but actually, yes, these are quite of beginners for the trade or of the traders. This is not allowed to do. No fear, no greed, no hope, because that means you're not trading on a strategy. The best way to discover this in yourself, it's self-awareness. Like during the trade as well, I know it's hard, especially for starter traders, but you need to second guess yourself, you know, on every setup, and during the trade as well. You need to ask yourself, what am I doing? Was it a right entry? Is it the right risk management? My share size is okay, and the management is okay as well of the trade. I mean, so these are crucial self-awareness. So because of this emotional cycle, trading is going to be more stressful than it should be. So guys, please don't forget, this is the main thing to learn today. Focus is the king. This is going to rule you as a trader, and if your focus is right, you are going to win the game. If you have any questions, please just email me. I'm more than happy to help you. And join me every day in the TEFS YouTube trading room for live trades and more insights. Thank you for watching. Bye.